First of all, you have to search for an affordable university. Hi lovelies, welcome back to bayoandobi's show. If you're just coming across this channel or this video for the first time, you're welcome. I'm Doris, or simply call me bayoandobi. I make videos about studies and also how to migrate. If this is the kind of content that you've been searching for, then you are in the right community. Do it well by clicking on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification. The reason is because you would always be notified whenever I put up any video. And if you have been getting values and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please kindly do it well also, and don't forget to give those video a thumbs up. So guys, in this video, I'll be sharing with you how to study in Switzerland for free. Yes, I know some people would say, how is that possible? The truth is there are opportunities out there and people are taking advantage of that. Yes, the truth again is, if you're not informed, how would you know about it? And if you don't know what is obtainable, then how would you be able to access it? In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to get this study for free. Okay, so where is this Switzerland? Switzerland is a beautiful country for most tourists to visit, and also popular for its advanced and high quality education. Switzerland shares border with the Italy by the south, the France by the west, Germany by the north, and Austria by the east. The obvious truth is studying abroad can be very expensive. However, with the support of the Swiss government, international students can study for free. The question now is, how do you go about it? First of all, you have to search for an affordable university. There are lots of universities that their tuitions are low or they do not even charge at all. You just have to search and look for such universities, like the universities that has been displayed here. Also, I'm going to make a video on it so that you can actually know the various types that you can apply to. So don't worry, I'm going to make a video on that where I'm going to list some of the universities and their tuition so that you can easily see and access them. Okay, I'm also going to put the link of the schools so that you can actually get it out by yourself. And secondly, you have to get a scholarship. Yes, despite being an international student, there are scholarship programs available in the countries. Scholarship programs like the Swiss government excellent scholarship and opportunity programs, Alfred Wenner's master scholarship. I'm going to put the link in the description below. Okay, so go and search for it. It's gonna be easy for you to access and also be well informed. Okay, so guys, in order to study in Switzerland for free, there are two things which I've highlighted above, which are: number one, you must look for an affordable university, and secondly, you must get a scholarship from the program that I've listed before now. Okay, so there are opportunities and people out there are getting it. If they are giving just 500 students, ensure that you are consistent, but determined. Be among the go-getters that would actually be given this scholarship, and then life will be easier for you when you migrate to Switzerland. So for more information, or you have doubts on how to go about it, don't fail to give me a DM through my Instagram handle. You can see the link above. Okay, so send me message and I will get back to you. And besides, you can also put it down in the comment section and I'll be out there looking out for that, and I would reply as soon as I see them. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.